Shifting timelines is an experience that may feel both exhilarating and bewildering, yet it signifies profound transformation in your life. When you shift timelines, you are stepping into an alternate version of your reality, where different possibilities exist, even though it may seem as if nothing has changed on the surface. It is not the drastic change of surroundings or the people in your life that signal this shift. Instead, the transformation occurs internally, rippling out from the deepest parts of your consciousness, subtly altering the trajectory of your life. This shift happens as you make decisions, both significant and small, that pull you toward alternate futures. As this inner realignment takes place, it begins to manifest outwardly in ways you may not always expect. When you shift timelines, you will notice changes in how you perceive reality. Everything begins with a subtle shift in your awareness. You may wake up one day feeling as though the things that once captivated you no longer hold the same allure. This change is not random. It is your consciousness aligning with a higher frequency, inviting you to shed the aspects of your life that are no longer in resonance with this new reality. Activities you once found joy in may feel draining or uninspiring. The hobbies, relationships, and even possessions that once defined you may seem hollow, as though they belong to a version of yourself you have outgrown. This detachment isn't something to fear, but a clear sign that you have shifted onto a different timeline. You are being nudged to release what no longer serves you, creating space for the new to enter. This is the natural ebb and flow of life, an energetic spring cleaning of sorts, where the shedding of the old is necessary to usher in the new. As your internal landscape changes, so too will your external reality. You might find yourself reacting differently to familiar situations, almost as if you're observing your life through a new lens. The people around you may remain the same, but your responses to them feel different. What once triggered you may no longer have the same hold on you, and your emotional reactions become more aligned with peace and acceptance. This is because you are no longer operating from a place of fear, guilt, or shame, but rather from love and trust. When you shift timelines, your operating system, the way you interpret the world and your role within it, changes. You find yourself making choices that resonate more deeply with your true self. And this shift in perspective alters the reality you experience. You begin to embody a higher version of yourself, one that is not a victim of circumstances, but an active participant in the creation of your reality. This new way of operating may feel foreign at first, especially if you are accustomed to navigating life through the lens of scarcity, fear, or limitation. However, this change is a clear sign that you have shifted timelines. The emotional patterns and mental loops that once governed your decisions now seem distant. You no longer need to force yourself into situations that feel misaligned, because you've shifted into a version of reality where your higher self calls the shots. This higher version of you thrives on acceptance and curiosity, rather than judgment or control. It is as if you have stepped into a more fluid, expansive state, where life is no longer something to survive, but something to experience fully, with trust and openness. During this time, it's common to feel as though you're in a state of limbo, suspended between your old life and the new reality that hasn't fully manifested yet. This phase of transition can feel disorienting, like being caught between worlds. You may feel a sense of detachment from your past, but at the same time, the future feels uncertain. It is as if you are floating in a space where the old rules no longer apply, yet the new ones have not fully revealed themselves. This feeling of limbo is not a sign of stagnation, but an essential part of the timeline shift. It is in this space of uncertainty that the deepest transformation occurs. You are shedding the energetic remnants of your old timeline while calibrating to the frequency of the new one. This phase of in-betweenness can feel uncomfortable, as you are no longer tethered to the familiar, but it is precisely in this discomfort that the most profound growth happens. Like a caterpillar in its cocoon, you are undergoing a metamorphosis, breaking free from the constraints of your old self and emerging into a new version of reality. During this time, it's important to trust that even though things may feel chaotic or out of control, there is an underlying order guiding the process. You are not lost. You are being recalibrated to a new frequency, one that aligns with your highest potential. As you continue to go through this timeline shift, you may start to notice synchronicities, those seemingly random coincidences that hold deeper meaning. These synchronicities are markers that indicate you are on the right path, guiding you toward the experiences and opportunities that resonate with your new timeline. Pay attention to these subtle signs, as they are the universe's way of communicating with you. They serve as reminders that even in moments of doubt, you are being guided toward your highest good. At first, these signs may appear as small shifts in your daily routine, or unexpected opportunities that align with your desires. But as you fully embrace the timeline shift, you will begin to notice more significant changes in your reality. The people you attract into your life, the opportunities that present themselves, and even the challenges you face will all be in alignment with the version of yourself that exists on this new timeline. You may find that your relationships deepen, your career takes unexpected turns, or your personal goals suddenly start to materialize with greater ease. This doesn't mean that challenges will disappear. Rather, the way you approach them will change. On this new timeline, you are no longer bound by the limitations of your old self. You have shifted into a reality where solutions come more easily, where your intuition guides you with greater clarity, and where your actions are aligned with a deeper sense of purpose. The struggles that once seemed insurmountable now appear as opportunities for growth, and the obstacles that once felt like roadblocks now serve as stepping stones toward your highest self. Throughout this process, it is essential to practice patience and self-compassion. It may feel disorienting at times, but it is ultimately a sign of growth and alignment with your highest self. Trust the process, embrace the uncertainty, and know that every step you take is guiding you toward a future that is more in harmony with your true self. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you're still with me, please leave a comment on what you learned or what you would like to add. I would appreciate it. As always, wishing you a beautiful day.